Oh hi, this is the first video of week 4 and just to bring everyone up to see what we're doing here. First of all, I've made this nice little kind of missile thing in my spare time for the crack. What we're trying to do is make homing missiles that'll actually track some. Right now I'll just show you the code we have first. It should be working, but it isn't for some reason, as is always the way. Right there. Now, right, homing missiles. Here we go. These are supplied to the bullet prefab. Let's see the original set of this. Yeah, this looks like it. Anyway, basically the explosion script from last time is here. We're just going to throw that in here. It's just easier that way. We don't have to apply 2 scripts to prefab. Now, in the update, we are basically creating an array of game objects, which we're using tags this time, which are handy enough easily to set. What I'm going to look at is the ability to tag an object in-game while you're clicking it with your mouse, so you can kind of select your targets, which won't be too bad. We are declaring what the nearest target is, and this is a game object. Now we're working out the distance, and these are basically just go through the entire list of targets, and if you find one that is closer than your current target, which is set to infinity, so your first one is obviously going to be closer, we use a little magnitude formula here, and then it sets it to our current target. Now our rotation, we are using slurp. It's a lot more fun to say than it is to use. Basically it's going to just interpolate our rotation, so it'll slow down our rotation because I don't want these things to immediately track it. It'll just be kind of like snapping to where the target is. That would look totally unrealistic for a missile, and currently that is where we're at right now. I'll show you it running and absolutely nothing is happening. I have it tracking its back wall, but it's just shooting out in a straight line and currently not doing much turning. So after that I'd hopefully be able to get this thing to actually look at the target it's targeting as well, which will just probably be some form of... We use the enemy tower script, which already does that. It's turned off on this guy at the moment because I didn't like getting shot off the map when I was testing. But yeah, it shouldn't be that hard to do. I'll check back in a while when I have a bit more done.